Hi everyone! Today we are going to draw and color a beautiful mushroom house. So grab your colors and let's start.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
First, I draw a big triangle shape for the mushroom cap. Then, I draw the stem and some lines under the cap. Next, I add small circles on the cap to make it look magical. After that, I draw a door with little stairs in front. Then, I draw 2 windows, some small mushrooms, and cute flowers with grass around the house. First, I use red for the mushroom cap. I use yellow for the stem and the little circles on the cap. I use golden color for the lines under the cap. After that, I use brown for the door, the stairs, and the window frames. For the inside of the windows and the door handle. For the flowers, I use purple and pink. Finally, I use green for the grass and leaves. And that's it! Our mushroom house is ready. If you like this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hand Art for more fun drawing videos. See you in the next video. Bye!